Alrighty folks, I found the duck pond and there's a little squirrel over there playing. I don't know if you can see him. Yeah, there he is. You can actually buy duck feed to feed the ducks, but since I don't see any of them, if I saw them, I'd buy some food and feed them. Look at that little squirrel. He's so cute. He's just foraging for stuff. There's lots of kids here. You can hear them. This pond looks much better. It's the color it's supposed to be. Hey there, little squirrel. Are you eating? Are you hungry? Oops, and up the tree you go. You know I'm watching you, don't you? I'm gonna sit on this bench for a minute and watch and see what you do. Oops, he went on the other side. And now I can't see him. And I'm gonna sit here for a minute and see if he shows himself. It's so pretty up here. Look, there's a little gazebo over there. Come back, little squirrel. Where'd you go? I was hoping if I sat down he'd come back around, but it doesn't look like he's going to. Some pretty birds flying around. Well, I guess he's not going to re-show himself, so I'm going to continue my walk and see if I can find one of the houses or cabins. See you in a little bit.